We all know how frustrating weeds can be, especially when they grow all over the garden paths or between cracks in the ground. They come back again and again, and pulling them out by hand feels like a never-ending job. Most people turn to weed killer sprays sold in the market, but those are usually packed with strong chemicals. Sure, they kill weeds fast, but they can also harm your soil, your plants, and even your pets or children if you're not careful. But there's a better way, a safer way, and the best part? You can make it at home using just 3 ingredients from your kitchen. Here's what you need to do. Take a container that can hold about 2 liters of liquid, 2 liters of clean water, next, add 300 milliliters of white vinegar. That's the normal white vinegar you use in cooking. It has acetic acid in it, which is very useful for drying out and killing weeds. Then, add 200 grams of salt. Yes, the regular table salt you use in your food. Now mix everything together well. Keep stirring until all the salt is completely dissolved. Add 4 tablespoons of dishwasher soap so the mixture can stick better on weeds. That's it. You've just made a simple, natural weed killer. Pour this mixture into a spray bottle or a garden sprayer. Now head outside, but before you spray, make sure it's a sunny, dry day. Sunlight helps boost the effect of the vinegar and salt, drying out the weeds faster. Spray the mixture directly onto the weeds. Try to cover the leaves well. You don't need to drench the soil or flood the area. Just a good coating on the weeds themselves will do. In about 24 to 48 hours, you'll start seeing results. The weeds will begin to shrivel up, turn brown, and slowly die off. But here's a very important warning. Do not, under any condition, spray this near your vegetables or flowers. This spray doesn't know the difference between a weed and your favorite tomato plant. If it touches any part of your good plants, they might die too, so always be careful. Use it only where you're sure nothing important is growing, like in pathways, between bricks, or along the driveway. So why does this spray work so well? The vinegar burns the outside of the plant and causes it to dry out. The salt goes into the soil and stops the plant from taking up water. Together, they attack the weed from the outside and the inside. The water helps everything mix and makes it easier to spray. Now, this spray is not magic. It might take a couple of days to fully kill the weed, and some tough weeds might come back after a few weeks. But the good thing is, you can always make more and spray again. It's cheap, simple, and doesn't damage the environment the way chemical sprays do. One thing to keep in mind, don't overuse salt in the same spot too many times. Over time, too much salt can hurt the soil and make it hard for anything to grow. So avoid using it in garden beds or places where you plan to grow something later. This is the kind of homemade solution that keeps your garden healthy and your family safe. No strong smells, no harmful toxins, just natural ingredients doing the job. Try it out and see the difference for yourself. If you enjoyed this tip, visit our channel for more homemade garden sprays, organic fertilizers, and helpful gardening tricks. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's tired of fighting weeds the hard way.